Jacqueline.
I'm Natalie.
We're originally from Germany, but then we moved to Danbury, Connecticut.
When we were babies, we were only 2.
And then we went to hairdressing in high school. We went to another technical college, and we did that for 4 years. We were in the salon for a few years after that as well.
And we decided that we've always liked mechanics. Like my brother, he's a mechanic, and my dad's a truck driver, so we always had that in the family, I guess. And we made the decision to come to Lincoln Tech.
We knew absolutely nothing going in, so I think even when we first did intro, then we did engines, and I think the first step was remove wiring harness. We didn't even know what that was.
So we learned a lot, and it's all hands-on, and we're very hands-on learners. So once we're at the school and the teachers, everybody's great. We love everybody there. It's like a family, I guess.
Yeah.
It's still so surreal. When everyone told us that we got chosen to be able to go, we feel honored that we get that opportunity.
Especially 2 of us from one campus. You kind of didn't think that we could.
Yeah. So I'm Natalie. I'm Jacqueline. We're here at race day at the Poconos. We got to help out James' team stack the tires over in the pit area, help get all the tires ready for race day today. They also took us inside the trailers. We got to see where they keep all the extra spare parts, the engineering room, everything. It's so cool. The guys, they're so welcoming to us, and they tell us everything. They actually let us. We thought we would just be able to come in the garage, if that. Just looking at everything we thought would be cool, and they're letting us actually get our hands on stuff. They let us pick up the body panels. Yeah, the carbon body panels. Bringing us into the trailer and showing us where the gears are kept and everything. They let us help wash gears yesterday.
Yeah.
Put them away, so they're really letting us get all hands-on, get some fuel for the race car for later on. So much more than we ever expected.
So it was after we talked to him and after seeing the dealership, everyone was so nice, and we weren't so nervous anymore. And then
the rest fell into place pretty much.
Yeah, we absolutely learned a lot more from working in the field, but
getting hands-on every single day, especially on one brand, you can learn a lot very quickly. And also our dealership, the environment is not like a typical dealership, especially out in this trade, in the field, especially flat rate. Everybody helps everybody, so it's basically like working with all your friends every day. So I mean, everyone has to be productive and get stuff done, but the environment and the people we work with, we're blessed to have people that are so helpful. And
Oh yes,
we miss school. We love it here.
It felt like a field trip. We couldn't sleep last night. We were so excited to come back and see everybody.
No, we love Lincoln Tech. It's probably one of the best experiences in our life.
Best decisions we ever made.
Yeah, we love it here.